To describe Echo360 in a single word is a challenge, but I would describe it as lively. A traditional class would have perhaps been quiet and the staff could have been talking to themselves almost. And so the liveliness comes because the students are engaging throughout the teaching, and so the noise that comes, that liveliness, is demonstrating the students' involvement, the students' engagement with the learning, and the students' enjoyment. In fact, if I had to substitute lively, I'd say fun.
Echo360 with Active Learning Platform has changed the engagement piece within the college. So students engage with the content as well as their teachers as well as their peers using this tool.
With Echo360, it really brings up a very lively and friendly atmosphere during a lecture. I've been using Echo360 while I was away overseas for a family matter. During my free time, I got to access Echo360 for the lecture slides to catch up with my studies. So while accessing to that, I can still feel as though I'm still in class.
By implementing the Active Learning Platform, we have transformed our lecture spaces, both for our students and for our lecturers. Our students are now actively engaging with the content and their lecturers, and our lecturers have real-time insight into their students' learning.
My teaching area is engineering mathematics, and students were having some difficulties to follow up some complex concept during the 2-hour lecture time. I was thinking it's better if we can record the lectures and post it somewhere for students to access later.
For me, I'm an international student, so sometimes I cannot get all the things that the teacher explained. So when I come home, I can open it up and then revise it again. It is a very good thing for me to study.
Next to the slides, you can write notes and also bookmark the slide. That's really important to me.
Before I start using Echo360, the pass rate of this particular maths unit was very, very low. So that's one of the reasons actually I start using Echo360. And that trimester, the pass rate went up to 75%. Compared to the previous trimester, which was below 50. So there are some impact from this system.
If I have to sum up Echo360 in one word, I would give it awesome.
I would definitely say convenient.
It makes the lecture become more colorful, more interesting for students.